As an employee or entrepreneur, you'll have to face problems. A product launch going wrong, a key supplier backs out, the market shifts. What sets you apart is your mindset and your approach. You analyze the situation, identify root causes, and generate creative solutions.
As an entrepreneur, how did you use critical thinking to adapt to the constantly changing business environment?
I'm a nurse by trade. I spent nearly 10 years in higher education, teaching and learning, loving that. And now I built an AI product in the past 18 months that I knew nothing about. So I think it's just about making sure you have the capacity to pause, learn new things, not jump at the first bright and shiny thing that comes along, and actually be more strategic about the way in which you're developing, creating, ideating. I've tapped into a lot of mentorship as well. So I actually went to pre-accelerator and accelerator programs, especially the ones run by Launchpad here at Western Sydney. They've been amazing and phenomenal. So it's just using the skills, and especially those critical thinking skills that you've learnt, but know that you're going to keep learning and evolving, become more resilient in the business world because it can be quite cutthroat, but also have the grit and determination to actually power forward. If you know better, you do better, but also have your customer in mind. What would they like to see?
Do you have any advice for students who are entering the workforce on how they can refine their critical thinking skills?
For students who are entering the workforce, my tips for critical thinking are: have the time to reflect. Is this working? Am I actually thinking critically, or am I thinking superficially? As adults, we make 35,000 decisions a day, but do you actually apply decision-making framework to every one of those decisions? No. Think about the word critical first. Have the time, as I said, time to pause, reflect, and think about how others are actually looking at problems. And you might actually think about, they're looking at their things a little bit differently. Sometimes we go into problem solving or critical thinking with a very narrow mindset. Maybe just opening that up a little bit and learning from others. Think about a problem, unpack it. What is the problem? Who's having the problem? Why are they having the problem? And see if you actually have the same solution to your original problem using critical thinking.